Hello and welcome to a VO's Journey. Let's fix this. Welcome to a VO's Journey. My name is Anthony Pica. This show is all about helping new and upcoming voiceover artists grow their business, sidestep all the crazy things that I seem to step on. It's Fiverr Friday, a blast from the past. I found it. My daughter had grabbed it and it was in her room. And I don't know how. I mean, it must have in the move, because in the move we lost the hat, the Fiverr Friday hat, but it is still intact, and it is on, and we're ready to rock and roll. I've got a good show for you today. We're going to talk about Fiverr just released their report for the Fiverr's top 6 trending search queries for quarter 1. All right, of this year, moving into quarter 2, which is really exciting for us because I want to talk about that with you and how we can utilize that for our businesses. Okay, real quick before we get started, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. Also, check out the link below we've got a deal for 50% off the first month to try out a VO's Journey Elite Academy. We'd love to have you. If you're looking to start and grow your voiceover business, learn more about how to get business, how to become a better voice actor, how to grow on Fiverr, for example, and many other places, we're the place to be. So we'd love to have you. So anyways, I want to dive into this topic today because I love these reports from Fiverr. We don't get a lot of reports, from the websites that we do a lot of our work on, and it's nice when we do get them. There might be a yearly report, or there might be something about what were the top searches, what were the things like that. But that data is usually coveted, and it's not released to us very often. So it's really nice, especially with a website like Fiverr, because Fiverr has so many services outside of voiceover which mainly we're going to market to, right? Because we're marketing to other businesses. So I'm really excited to kind of share this with you today. So I got this pulled up. I just got notified today that it was released, even though the article says April 10th, but I must have just gotten the email today. But anyway, so it's Fiverr's top 6 trending search queries revealed for report for quarter 2. I know right off the bat, voiceover is not one of them. Voiceover is not the number one, revenue. It's not even in the top 10, I believe. So, I mean, but the cool thing is that this report hopefully will help us look at what is the main things that we should be marketing towards, and not just on Fiverr, but in general, right? And how we can then utilize that in our marketing, whether it's on social, whether it's on our own websites, and whether creating gigs on Fiverr. All right. So the first thing that they bring up here, the top 6 trends, Shopify marketing is number 1. Okay, so this is a big thing. More and more people, as we know, we're joining. A lot of us have become voice actors as a side hustle, trying to get out of our jobs, or we got laid off, or things, all the stuff that's happened over the years, we're all trying to grow our own businesses and do it through the internet. So, the biggest one, of course, is drop shipping and also through Shopify marketing. All right. So this is important. Shopify marketing. This is something we as voice actors can market to. Okay. People who are Shopify marketers, people who are running Shopify businesses, they're going to want to run ads, and they're going to want to run it on social. They're going to want to do email. So this is something that we can help them with. Okay. So that's number 1. Fiverr Shopify marketing experts can help you. They go through each one of these and tell you, hey, grab, it's an article to help Fiverr sell too. But let's look at the second one, Facebook ads. So here's another thing, I think a lot of times we are so much into an industry, or the people who are producing, we're not targeting the exact things that people are actually searching for, right? So like Facebook ads, that's number 2. So clearly people creating, and here's another thing too, not that we want to do this, but as a studio, we have the ability to create ads ourselves, right? We can create video I mean, we can create, get royalty-free stock images and stock footage from, like audio blocks, story blocks, and different places like that. So we have the ability to do this too. But again, this is another place where we as voice actors could be utilized for Facebook ads. All right. So that's number 2. Number 3, Etsy digital products. Again, it's another place, right? Etsy that people would want to run ads or would want to do marketing on social where we could do stuff. I think right now they don't talk about this as a total thing, but if you think about it, social ads or social marketing is what all of this really boils down to. Okay, so Etsy digital products. Let's move on to the next one. Drop shipping. I talked about that. Again, what I like about this list too is that it gives you the ability to know what words to target as well. Whether it's first starting on Fiverr, targeting this stuff, and then again, targeting other places, targeting it in your marketing, targeting it on social, targeting it on, what you're sending out in your emails, targeting on your website. These could be areas of pages that you create on your website. Okay, and then we've got digital marketing. I mean, all of this needs us. We could be a part of this, right? And this is something that we can target. I think digital marketing, of course, is going to encompass an overall thing for a lot of this. But they've got people doing an in-depth assessment, your digital marketing campaign. So, I mean, you've got a lot to unpack here. Oh, and the last one is WordPress website design. Okay, so here's another thing, too, to think about. Remember, these people are looking for businesses or, solopreneurs to do this stuff. So we would market to the people who are WordPress website designers, right? WordPress website designers. That's a great place, to market to. You can market to that all day long, everywhere, on any social. You can even run little ads. You could even create your own little ads that you run to show these designers what you can do for them. Right? This is I love these. So, I love these reports. It talks about, that was their top search queries for Q1. And, now this whole thing is an affiliate, because you can be an affiliate marketer. But I think that, this is really great information for us to really take these and look at, how to work on them. And here's another thing too, we can go to these things and start to look at these on Fiverr too and see how these people are doing it, what they're doing, getting to learn them, what the keywords are. I mean, you think about these people are doing all this work, they're doing all this research. We can use that research to our advantage, all right? And utilize it. Use Fiverr for not just getting work, but an incredible research tool as well. All right. Well, listen, I hope that that's helped. I wanted to show you that because I love those reports. They give you such really good information, and those keywords are just fantastic to target, to create pages over, to create gigs over. Right? I mean, it really is wonderful. And then to know who to target. These are all marketers that would be marketing to these people looking for this. Right? There's going to be businesses who are marketing to these solopreneurs or these, smaller businesses. There's going to be other businesses, right? And then these businesses will need services too. So, think outside the box because the market is just expanding unbelievably. And this is our opportunity. All right, you guys, I hope you liked the show today. Just some cool information, and you can find that report. I think it's on Fiverr's blog. It's the top trending search queries, so you can find that. Check it out. Also, make sure you hit the like and subscribe button, and don't forget to check out the link below to A Video's Journey Elite Academy. It was wonderful talking to you all. Have a wonderful Friday and a great weekend. See you all later. Goodbye. Goodbye.